Hi, I'm Shannon Nembach, and I am the Landscape Contest winner.
We visited Shannon Nembach's lush green garden, a water-wise landscape she started in 2002. We asked, what inspired you to enter the WaterSmart Landscape Contest?
I just have had different people tell me that my yard is beautiful, and they're surprised when they learn that it is water-wise, that it doesn't take a lot of water to maintain. And I just thought, well, okay, what the heck? I'll go ahead and enter some pictures and take it from there.
In addition to its beauty, what other aspects of your garden do you enjoy most?
I would say the landscape diversity, the animals that it draws into the yard. We have finches, black phoebes, hawks, possum, raccoon, sparrows, crows, doves that all come and visit the yard, butterflies and lizards, and just the diverse ecosystem that's provided for the natural animals that live in the environment.
Should other homeowners consider converting their lawns to water-wise landscapes?
Yes, I highly recommend it. I don't miss my grass at all. I only had a small patch when my kids were little, and I don't miss it at all because that's constant fertilizing and weekly mowing and watering, and I really don't miss it at all. I mostly enjoy that I get to share it with my family and friends. I have dinner parties here all the time. It's just been a great place to entertain and bring other people into our lives and enjoy it also.